Hi, today we are seeing the class 4th, unit 6th, staying safe. Here some activities there we are going to do. Take the picture that reduce the risk of the accident. What will be reduce the risk of the accident? We will see many accidents will be happen in our daily life. So here we can see how it will be happen. For example, we will be keep our home or our room dirty. Then there are chances of happening the accident because we will see some electric wires will be open or some scissor, knives. We will be throw like that only if it will not keep in clearly or in one place. So it will be get hurt to small kids or us also sometime. That's why we should keep our home or room very clean because we will be organize all the items in their place and we will get easily and we will not get hurt if any small children also there. Whenever we ride the cycle, what should we will be do? We should not do such a things which will be get happen to our accident or it will be reduce the accident. For example, if we wear the helmet, it will be reduce the accident. If any accident or sudden anything happens also, it will be protect our head and we will be safe. So we will be use the helmet when we are riding a bicycle. Now here we will be see the lesson. Have we ever met any accident in our life? What happened? We will be daily basis also small accident will be happen. Accident is not a big one. It is maybe a small accident or anything we will be get hurt. So like then you can recall your life what will be some accident in your childhood or in your home you will get some accident or something. What happened because what is the reason of the accident? Because of our carelessness. If we will not care for the things it will be get happens. But sometimes what happen accident can happen anywhere anytime. We cannot be say that it will be happen when. We have to be careful all the times and follow the safety rule to avoid the accident. In anywhere, at our home or anywhere, we should be follow some safety rules which will help us to protect us. Safety rules are different for different places. We have followed different safety rules for different places. We should know and follow them at all the times. What the safety rule should be, we have to be follow. Safety at the home. When we are at the home, what will be the safety things we have to do? There are many things cause accident at our home only. Okay, if we are careless, there are many things which will be happen, get accident. Therefore, we should follow some of the safety rules at all the times. All the times we should follow some of the safety rules. Okay. Do not play with the sharp object. Sharp object means knife, like knife, scissors, blade. These things we should not play. If you have to use a knife or anything like a scissor for your project work or drawing, then take the help of your adults or in front of your parents you will be do. Like here you can see in the picture the boy. The boy is want to take the knife or scissor because he should not play with it. If he get hurt, what happen? He will be get lot of the hurt. Do not play with the matchsticks or matchbox. In crackers, when in Diwali, what we will be do? We will be crackers, burn the crackers. At that time, we will play the matchsticks. We will be play with at home also. We will find a matchbox. We will be play with it to see the fire. But we should not play with any fire. Like this girl is doing. See here, firing. We should not do. Otherwise, we will get burned. Do not work in the kitchen where synthetic cloth. When your mother is cooking or you are there near the kitchen, don't wear the synthetic cloth because synthetic cloth will be catch the fire very easily. That's why we should not wear the synthetic cloth. Maintain a safe distance from the gas stove. When your mother is making roti or anything in the kitchen, you do not go and stand in front of them when they are cooking. Otherwise, it is chances to get burn. Little hurt we will be. Next, whenever you will be smell the gas, gas leakage in the gas stove. Immediately open the doors and window to let the gas smell will be go out from the kitchen and the room. And matchstick or lighter or any electric switch you should not be open or on unless the smell of the gas will be go on. Okay, unless the smell of the gas will go on from your house. False electric wires. Sometimes what happens, the electric wires are not in a properly settled. That time what happens, the result will be caused the fire accident. In that things we will get the fire accident. Sometimes you listen that we will be what happened, the mobile phone was blasted because of it. This all happens because of fault electric wires only. Any short circuit will be happen at our home. All this will be happen because of fault electric wires. That time we should not put the water. What we have to do, because electricity will be catched by the water, so we should not put the water. We should use the sandbags. We should use the sandbags to stop the firing when electric wire with it is going on. You can see in this picture, in the electric circuit, the wire is burning. At that time we have to use the sandbags, not water. Same here. Do not touch the electric switch with the wet hand. Small children or our mother or father only, when they wash hand and suddenly they want to open the light, they will be touched with the wet hand only. So that should not done by us. Whenever touch any electric appliance, anything with the current, with wet hands, as you may get electric shock. In case of shock, the person close by should. If it is get the shock also, what you have to do, you have to switch off the main switch. Electric supply main one you have to off, then only the current circuit will be, shock will be reduced. Do not try to taste the medicine. Small kids especially, what they do when the father or mother bring it the medicine at home and they kept it the tablet anywhere, what they will be, if there it is near to their reach, they will be take the tablet and open their tablet and they will be eat them. They don't know it is a tablet, what happened to with the tablet. But what they think it is like a tablet, they will be thinking that it is like any chocolate. So they will be eat them. And some people have the habit of knowing also they will be eat. So we should not taste the medicine. Keep the bathroom or kitchen floor always dry. Okay, when you are in your kitchen, when your mother is washing the vessel, after vessel washing, some water will be fell down on the floor. Tell your mother to clear, mop it with the mop stick. Don't make it wet only. In the bathroom, near the bathroom also, make it, see that it will be dry always. Then you cannot slip and fall down in the bathroom or kitchen. Safety on the road. When we will be play on the road, we will go on the road, what we have to do? We have to mainly see that how we will be safe on the road. Most accident on the road happen due to the carelessness. Many accident will be happen. You will see daily news. Many accident will be happen. Why? Because carelessness. When safety rules are not followed, then the accident will be happens. Road must be crossed at zebra crossing only. We will be use the zebra crossing when we are crossing the road. Before crossing any road or anywhere, you must look both the side of the road, left and right, both the side of the road you should see, and cross only if no vehicle is coming. Both the sides seeing and coming not. That also see no vehicle should come, then only you will cross the road. Never run across a road to cross it. You may have any accident. Don't run on the road. For when you are going to shop or anywhere, you will be run on the road and catch your friends like this. So don't do. You will be go by walking slowly, you will be cross the road. Cross the road only when the signal is red. In the signal area, when the signals are there on the road, see that there will be a red light, then only cross the road by the zebra crossing. Do not play on the road, near the road. Okay, people will be there who will be play on the road, they will be jump on the road, they will be play cricket on the road. So we should not play on the road or near the road. Otherwise we will be get by any moving vehicle. Okay, walk on a footpath. If there is no footpath, walk on the right side of the road. Okay, whenever you will be see the road, like this roads will be there. Okay, the side area of the road, the side area of the roads near the roads are called footpath. Okay, the side area near the road are called, left or right side are called footpath. But if it's not have any footpath on the road, so what you will be have to do, you will be go from the right side of the road. Okay, obey traffic rule and follow the traffic signal. Whatever the traffic signal will be there, like wearing the helmet. Nowadays we are seeing the wearing the mask also. Okay, traffic rule, red signal, any signal will be there or anything will be there, that should be follow. Wearing the seat belt, this all are the traffic rules which should be follow. Never put any of your body part out of the moving vehicle. Many people in the school bus or in the bus or in the auto, what they will be do, they will be keep their hands outside or their head outside. So like this we should not do when it is moving a vehicle. Never jump and play in a moving vehicle. Especially this will be happen on the school buses. People will be jump on the school bus and they will play under the school bus. They will be do many things on the inside the school bus. So this should not we will be do on the school bus. Always stand in a queue while you boarding on the bus. You can see here queue. Like this, stand on a line when you are getting inside the bus, boarding inside the bus. Ride your bicycle in a playground, not on a road. Ride your bicycle in any open area or a playground, not on the road. Do not disturb the driver. When many people will be do this one, they will be talk with the driver when they are driving. So this also disturb to the driver and they will be get accident. Wear the seat belt. When you are traveling with a car, you should wear a seat belt. Ask your elder not to talk on a phone. For example, your father is riding a bike or scooty or anything. Tell them don't use the phone when it is getting any call. Otherwise, stop anywhere. If it is an urgent call, stop anywhere and talk with the phone. Wear a helmet. Always see that the person should wear a helmet who are going on a two-wheeler. When you sit behind or any elder driving a scooter or any two-wheeler, you have to wear the helmet. Both the person will wear the helmet also. Very safety. Some people are there in the schools, like they are in the 8th or 9th and 10th also, they will be driving the bikes, scooties of their father. But they should not do, because it is illegal to drive, because they don't have the driving license and they don't have the proper knowledge of driving. So they should not drive any vehicle. But the small kids also nowadays are driving. If your brother or sisters are doing, tell them to not to allow your parents to give them any vehicle. Now here some of the symbols are given. You can see. This is what is the symbol. Here is the crossing is there. So this is the symbol is related to zebra crossing. Now here phone is drawn. So what is the symbol of phone? And the cross mark is there. Like this cross means no. Do not do. When like this line will come in any symbol, we should not do that. Do not use the phone. Okay. We should not, do not use phone. Here you can see this is the stop symbol, big written, stop. We should be stop the vehicle. No parking. We should not park in that area where this symbol will be there. P means parking. When it is cross on the park means, some places you can see only P, but there you can park. But here cross mark is there means no parking. No parking. Okay, we will see next one in next video. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and also click the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for your support.